Audio cables are essential for home theater systems to transmit high-quality sound, ensuring clear, immersive audio and proper speaker connectivity. My today's video is about top 5 best audio cables for home theater systems that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Moswag 3.5mm audio cable. The Moswag 3.5mm audio cable male-to-male is a versatile and reliable solution for audio and microphone needs. Featuring a 4-pole design, tip, ring, sleeve, it supports both stereo audio transmission and microphone functionality, allowing you to listen and speak simultaneously. Its wide compatibility covers devices with a 3.5mm port, including car stereos, iPhones, iPads, PCs, home theaters, and gaming consoles like PS4 and Xbox One. The 24K gold-plated connectors and aluminum alloy shell ensure crisp, hi-fi sound, minimizing signal loss and interference. Built for durability, the soft nylon braided cable withstands over 10,000 bends, resists tangling, and prevents wear. Each package includes one Moswag 3.5mm EUX cable backed by a 12-month warranty, making it a reliable, high-quality choice for seamless audio connectivity across devices. Now our second product is Nangsadij Stereo Audio Cable. The 3.5mm audio stereo cable with a 90-degree right-angle connector is a versatile solution for connecting any device with a standard 3.5mm audio port. It easily links your Mac Mini, smartphone, MP3 player, tablet, or headphones to car stereos, portable Bluetooth speakers, or home audio systems. The right-angle design allows connections in tight spaces or hard-to-reach areas where a straight connector won't fit, reducing strain and preventing damage. Crafted with pure copper and 24K gold-plated contacts, this cable ensures high-fidelity sound, maximum conductivity, and corrosion resistance. The soft cotton-braided exterior is tangle-free, durable, and long-lasting, while double shielding minimizes interference for clear, crisp audio. Compatible with a wide range of devices, including Xbox and PS4 controllers, Samsung Galaxy phones, Microsoft Surface, and various MP3 players. This cable delivers reliable, high-quality audio for gaming, music, and home setups. Our third product is Synkwire 3.5mm nylon braided AUX cable. The Synkwire 3.3 feet nylon braided AUX cable delivers exceptional audio performance with universal compatibility for any device featuring a 3.5mm port, including iPhones, iPads, laptops, tablets, MP3 players, headphones, car stereos, and speakers. Note: incompatible with LifeProof and OtterBox cases. Equipped with polished 24K gold-plated connectors, it ensures reliable connections, eliminates signal loss, and delivers crisp, stereo-quality sound for all your audio needs. Its ultra-durable design boasts over 15,000 bends, several times longer than standard cables, keeping it tangle-free and resilient for everyday use. Double shielding minimizes interference, while the included cable organizer makes storage simple and mess-free. This package includes the Synkwire 3.3 feet AUX cable, user guide, a 3-year free replacement card, and dedicated customer service, making it a reliable, high-quality choice for seamless audio connectivity across multiple devices. Now number 4, SOX Audio Cable. The SOX 3.5mm to 2 RCA audio Y cable delivers excellent sound quality with its dual shielding, gold-plated connectors, and oxygen-free copper wire core, minimizing interference for seamless, high-fidelity stereo audio. Its bidirectional design ensures smooth audio transmission in both directions, while the red and white color-coded RCA connectors allow quick, hassle-free left and right hookups. The cable fits perfectly with smartphones, iPhone, Galaxy, LG, Pixel, MP3 players, and tablets, iPad, Galaxy, Fire, connecting effortlessly to stereo receivers, speakers, amplifiers, TVs, cars, and other RC-enabled devices. Built for durability, Its double-braided nylon exterior and 10,000 plus band lifespan make it tangle-resistant and long-lasting. Measuring 6.6 feet, 2 meters, this versatile cable provides flexibility for home or mobile setups. The package includes the JSAUX Audio Y cable and dedicated customer service, making it a reliable choice for premium audio connections across multiple devices. And our last choice is TAN QY audio cable. This high-quality audio cable combines durability, clarity, and reliability for superior sound performance. Its black PVC jacket offers excellent protection and flexibility, resisting wear, tear, and daily use stress. Gold-plated connectors ensure optimal signal transfer and corrosion resistance, delivering a clear and consistent audio signal for all your devices. Color-coded red and silver-white connectors provide easy identification of right and left audio channels, simplifying setup and preventing mistakes. The molded strain relief boot protects the cable where it splits from the connectors, extending its lifespan and reducing the risk of damage from bending. Designed for reliable and accurate audio transmission, this cable enhances your listening experience, whether connecting home stereo systems, amplifiers, or other RC-enabled devices. Durable, functional, and easy to use, it's a dependable choice for high-quality audio setups. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.